So the bottom of the breadboard, it's got some sticky foam tape. Now we want to take it and we just want to fold back the protective paper a little bit on both ends, because we're going to stick this to the chassis, but we're going to take it off later on when we're done. So we just take this thing and fold her back like that. And let's see there. We're going to get a screenshot for the PDF. Now, you've seen in the instructions in a previous part in the previous step in the instructions that I want to take the wires from the motors and I'm passing them through these square holes here. So at the end of the day, this is right side up, but we're going to do it upside down. We've got the wires now here, and we take our breadboard with our paper folded back, and we just want to get it stuck in here. Get the wires out of the way, and let's see. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to be removing it. Okay, so now we've got that, and let's take another shot of it. Screenshot here. And at this point, we can put the wheels on because they won't be in our way. If we put the breadboard on the other side, the wheels would have gotten in our way. We'll test. Let's just do one, and you'll see that the wheels have the hole in the wheel. It's not completely round. It has flat spots. And you look at the white axle of the gearbox. If this thing is going to update, it's still doing the capture process. So there we go. So the white plastic here, you see it has flat spots too. It matches with the hole in the wheel. So it's just a question of putting the wheel up against it and then moving it around until you get it to line up, and then push it on and it pops on. Now, I'm going to only do one here because I just want to double check that it's not going to get in my way. So I'm going to take my screwdriver here, and I'm going to go lefty-loosey. And you'll see the screw head come near to the top, and it's a little hard to see, but you'll notice that they'll look different inside the blue terminal block here, and one hole will have gotten bigger than the other, and you stick in. It doesn't matter which one you put where. Just put one motor wire in there and then tighten it down. Careful, the block will move around a little bit. It's not permanently fixed in there. And then you pull a little bit on the wire and make sure it's in there. And then go around and do that for all four of the wires for each motor. So you might want to do that first and then go ahead and put on the tires at the end. Okay.